Hey there, this is Kamlesh from RestorFX. Today in PixArt, we are going to create an amazing smoky effect using the unique feature called XOR within just 3 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, we need to remove the background. To remove the background, we are going to use the automated feature called cutout. Click cutout and then select person. And we can see PixArt automatically selected the person. For preview, we can click preview and we can check whether the cutout was best or not. And it is okay for me. If it is not satisfied you need to use restore and razor and click save. After cutout, we need to save this image. To save this image, click the symbol here. And then close this project. If you like to save this project, you can save it. If you don't like, don't save. Then click the plus icon and select edit photo. Here choose the background and select white. Now we need to make the aspect ratio 16:9. For creating the aspect ratio 16:9, click tools and click crop. Here select the aspect ratio 16:9 and then click check. After this, we need to import the cutout photo. For importing, scroll here and select add photo. Here select the photo we have cut out and click add. And just use your two fingers to zoom out and zoom in and then upscale the image and keep it where you want it. Here we can see that this position is right for me for creating the smoke effect because I have already tried it, and I am clicking this razor symbol. Here we need to click razor and increase the size, decrease the hardness to 0. And it's okay for me, I'm clicking check. Here this is the photo we are going to create the smoke effect and click save. After saving this photo, click check. Now we are going to create the smoke effect. For creating the smoke effect, we need to open draw. Here click draw and check draw. Open the layers panel and create an empty layer. After creating it, kindly press the add image symbol here. If we have add this image from here, we can see that when we add this image, it will add without any cropping. But when we add the image from here, let me show you an example. I am creating an empty layer and here I am importing a photo layer and I am selecting this image and I am checking this image. Here you can see that this image was stretched out. The smoke effect have been stretched out. So to avoid this, we need to add the image from here. Okay, now let me delete this photo and just unhide it and delete this layer. Now transform this layer. Cover like this and click check. Now create one empty layer and add a photo. So this smoke effect also included in our package. Kindly check the link in the description to download this photo. Click check. And merge only the smokes. After merging the smokes, click transform and move this photo a little bit like this. We need to avoid the white space. For avoiding the white space, we are moving these photos. After moving, now change the blend mode to XOR. Now merge to the main layer. After this, create an empty layer and change the color to white. Then move this photo to background. Now we are going to add the color effects. Click the color and click the color picker tool. Select her skin first. And then draw it like this. Just paint with your brush. You can see that it's bringing the smoke effect. And then click her hair and just paint it away from here. Now click the color picker and select the brown color from her dress and just paint like this. And don't miss any spots. After this, click check. Just click discard. Now we are going to add some effects. Before adding effects, we are going to add some adjustments. For adjustments, go to tools and click adjust. Here, decrease the brightness a little bit to increase the contrast of the smoke, and increase the contrast, and increase the clarity, and increase the saturation a little bit, decrease the highlights and decrease the shadows. And then click check. Now click effects, click vignette and increase it to some point where it comes like this, and increase the fade. And this is the method to create an amazing smoke effect within just 3 minutes. So if you really like this video, kindly click the thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, click this subscribe button and press the bell icon there to get the daily videos. Thank you friends.